Okay, so this is going to be a very quick tutorial. So what we did in class today is we inputted all this data. That took us a while, so that's why we're doing this on video right now. So what we're going to do next is I'd like to figure out how to, I don't know, analyze this data. So what we're going to do is I just like to go to my main screen here. And I just do second and mode for that. It's quit, just gets me here. We always can go there by second and quit. And I'm going to go to stat, just like where we did to enter it. But now you see up top where it says edit, calc, and test. I'm going to press the over button, that's this guy right here, and calc. And right on the very top it says one var stats. And that means one variable statistics, which is what we're looking at. We're looking at, I believe it's the centimeters of all those plants that with and without fertilization. So, fertilizer, I mean. So anyway, all I have to do is, it's on number 1, so I hit enter. And I want to enter, so I could just hit enter again, but I know it's under L1, so I'm going to show you how to do that. And L1 is right above 1, it's in blue, so that means I have to hit my blue button. Second, L1, and now I'm just going to hit enter. And right off the bat, it gives me all this information. So this X with the little bar above it, that's my mean. This right here is the summation of my data. So if we added all these numbers, I have 829. The average height of the plants was 5.639 blah, 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 blah centimeters. This is the sum squared. Don't worry about this for right now. These two ideas right here are called standard deviation, and we'll end up talking a lot more about these. We can see here that we have 147 pieces of data. So I think there was actually 150 pieces of data, but in our haste of typing it in, I'm sure Zeba missed something. So not a big deal. So there's a little arrow here. That means I can actually press down. So I press down, and I see my minimum value was at 2. My Q1 was at 5. My medium, my middle number, 6. My Q3 is at 7. My max is at 9. And that's all. I can't go down any further. So that's actually a fair amount of information right off the bat. So tomorrow what we're going to do is we're actually going to learn what all of these numbers mean. What would probably be a great idea is if you actually looked up a few of those terms like mean, Q1, Q3, and median, and maybe even standard deviation if you're really motivated. We're going to talk about those numbers a lot more tomorrow. Thank you so much, and have a good day. I hope this helps.